Sure, it will be just as big as the Cairns Cup, and that's it for sport tonight. Thanks, guys.
Beautiful. Thank you, Nate.
All right, well, stay with us after the break. Livio joins us with all the weather details.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. It's quite unusual to start the day with fog in late August, as many places did this morning around the state. It's even more unusual for the temperature to climb so high so soon after the fog burns off. Rather spring-like temperatures today across the region, with Cairns reaching 29 degrees and Mareeba 27, a taste of what's to come in the months ahead. To the satellite loop now, well, to be expected, there's not a great deal of cloud around. I say that a lot. I guess Queensland is a pretty sunny place all round. A little bit of cloud just around the Northern Territory border, and there's an arc of frontal cloud or trough-related cloud just here in the southeast corner, which could bring a storm tomorrow to some of those areas, mostly inland. Today's chart, what you see here is a baby high sitting just around about Gari or a little bit further north, and in its vicinity the winds have been very light, hence the occurrence of fog again this morning. And that's the inland trough I was talking about. Ahead of it, the winds are coming mostly from the northwest. That's why it's been so warm. On tomorrow's chart, the trough clears the coast, but there's no cool change behind it as normal. All there is just this waffly high pressure ridge maintaining the light winds, maybe drop a temperature a degree or two. And now the latest from BOM. The boating forecast for Cairns waters: southeast winds 15 to 20 knots tomorrow, same again on Wednesday on Thursday, with seas to 1.5 metres. Tides are nice and simple, low in the morning, high in the afternoon, and minimal ocean movement from bottom to top, thanks to yesterday's last quarter moon. North tropical coast and tablelands, showers mainly about the coast, some inland. Cairns 20 to 28 degrees, Atherton 23, Innisfail 27, Mareeba 26. Looking ahead for Cairns, steady temperatures for the period, a little above average, but not by that much. The sunshine will make up for it though, with only light passing showers to take the sting out of the warmth. For Atherton, we may get a couple of showers penetrating that far inland. They're most likely Tuesday to Thursday. After that, looks basically dry. This week's question: can it hail at night? The short answer is yes, but hardly ever. Hail-producing storms rely on the heat of the day to generate powerful rising air currents that can lift moisture up to 60,000 feet. At these altitudes, frozen raindrops are kept in suspension long enough to grow into big chunks of ice. By late afternoon, there's not normally enough heat to sustain these funnels of rising air, so the ice chunks fall to the ground like a sack of potatoes, and the show's all over by sundown. Thanks, Elijah, for the question. Have a nice evening, everyone. And now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. That wraps it up. Thanks very much for your company, and we'll catch you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on 7plus, or you can download the 7 News app. And from all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.
Good night.